I've been having a whole lot of questions in my email asking me how to change background or how to add textures to background. So this video basically is going to show you how you can actually replace your background or add texture to your background. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So this is the a picture. I think I did this picture. This picture should be over 6 months ago. All right. So the first thing you do is Ctrl J. Now that's if you have not retouched your picture, but I will advise you to finish retouching your picture before you do anything. So I am just diving straight out to changing my background. Now for you to do this, you come to your selection, quick selection tool, and you select your subject. Now you're going to sit back, relax, and Photoshop is going to do a pretty good job, that I can guarantee you. So you can see the job it did in selecting our subject. Now, if you're not okay with the selection of the subject, you can actually refine, but I think I'm okay with it. So next, you max this selection. So you now have your selection here. So the next thing you do is to import whatever backdrop you want to use, background or texture. So let's go with this. I think I like this. And you place it in your Photoshop on top of the picture. You use your option or alternate to align it. Now we can't see our image, not to worry. So you come back to your selection, you click and hold and drop it on the background layer. So you can see now we have a selection. You come back to the max and Control I, and voila, you have your picture. But looking at it, you can see it's not realistic. It's looking very fake. So the next thing you do is to tone this down a little bit. I think I like this. Then come to the blend mode and change it to soft light overlay. So you think anyone you feel it's good. So I think I like soft light. Soft light is okay. So I think this is good. Now to make it more realistic, you can also add blur to it, Gaussian blur, and let's see, 4.5 is okay, and boom, we're good. So that's how you can actually change your background or add texture to your background. So if you find this video interesting or helpful, you can actually drop a comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Amazing Brian is the name. Amazing Brian Studios is the YouTube channel. So if you have any question, you can also drop. And if you want me to talk about anything in Photoshop or in photography, you can ask me and I'll get back to you.